Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So hi guys, I'm Kiat. I'm Kann's friend. I'm from Singapore, and I know online we've been knowing each other for a year now, and she has asked me to do a voiceover for her for this makeup tutorial. So let's begin. So here you can see that I'm curling my hair. Oh, I got very nice pink hair. Ouch, I think I've hurt my hair. Why am I using to curl my hair? This looks like a pen. Alright, Sharpie pens, they are my best friend. And now I'm taking something like a purple roller to make sure I have a side bangs. Using rose water as a toner. Alright, Healing Blue Hydration sunblock, so that I make sure that, you know, the sun doesn't hurt me in any form of way. Model Own Face Base Primer. Gonna massage my face. I look so cute. Oh, pet. Correction, dark spot, matte, colors, blah blah blah. I don't even know what is this. It looks like something like a lipstick. Alright, just blending through my face, making sure I look like an angkukwe. Oh, I'm so red. And foundation, long-lasting foundation. God, you're fast. Okay, I'm using a beauty blender to blend my face, blend, making sure I look like a cake, a dough now. Oh, I look so good. Okay, I'm gonna make sure even my hair got some of it. Alright, you can see, you know, my face and my neck doesn't match, so I need some concealer to make sure that I conceal my eye bags, you know. I'll be looking like a panda, you know, I'm a unicorn. Alright, look at my cute moustache. Oh, gotta do the nose. Yeah, there's a heart shape, you see it. Alright, gotta pat again, putting more flour into my face. Alright, patting more. Okay, and yes, I'm using another type of foundation. So this is to give my cheekbones the sharp nose, you know, gotta contour them. And gotta make the magic work, gotta be like Magic Mike. Okay, contour, pat. And I keep on patting. Can you guys remember how many stuff have I pat into my face already? Alright, looking very sexy. Oh well. Next, using a loose powder. Alright, gotta pat on my eye bags. Pat. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. This is an eyebrow pencil. Gotta get the eyebrow on point. Gotta attract those guys out there in Malaysia. Yeah. Gotta brush up, brush. Alright, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I gotta conceal my eyebrows, you know. Gotta make sure that my nose is always on point, never to waste any concealer or what. Alright, my eye palettes. Okay, we're gonna work on the eye now, okay. Gonna use this as an eyeshadow. Alright, gotta pat again. Today I'm going for pink color because it matches my hair. Ooh, sexy. A Majestic Charm palette. Rubbing it again. I don't know why is she doing makeup so fast. Okay, using a blusher. And you're supposed to use your blusher on your cheeks. Again, so fast, Crimson palette. Okay, thinking that I can do this voiceover in such a fast pace, but I'm trying. Okay, gotta make it white, you know, gotta contour everything. Go for a black eyeliner, you know. Gotta make my eyes like a snake so I can seduce those guys out there. Insta liner in black. Alright, gotta get a 3D outline for my eyes, you know. Looking sharp. See those angel wings bling. Alright, pencil liner. How much pencil liner am I needing? Alright, putting under my eyes. Another liquid liner. Kann, you're too fast, man. Alright, okay. Nah, you look pretty. Okay, this is a Haja pencil. I never seen how it works. A liquid eyeliner. Let's talk about eyeliner now. I'm running out of breath. More magic in the eyes. So she wants a 3D wing, you know. I feel like going for 5D wings quite cool as well, huh? Yeah, come on, do 5. Don't stop at 4. No, don't get rid of it. See, she just wasted an eye product of makeup, telling everyone that Kann's actually very rich. Which, see, I'm correct. She did 5 wings. Oh, and this is a blind reaction, by the way. She's putting on the fake eyelashes now. Got a bling, you know. Yeah, see, I know. Alright, now I'm gonna put on more blushes now. Oh, finally the blushes for my cheeks. Alright. I look like I'm going to, you know, for wedding. I'm gonna get married. Oh wow, this is very red. Alright, okay, this is a palette, another palette. Gotta put more powder. Can you guys imagine how much time I spend on makeup just to make sure I look good for you guys? So please appreciate my video. Thank you so much. London water swipe. Again for my eye, liquid liner in white. The mouth product that Kann is using, I think I can eat 4 McSpicy burgers already. Alright, looking like a shark now. And then after that, say I can't even read the product. You know, she just mix like magic, like. Alright, but it's like a lip gloss or something like that. Now this isn't it for the eye, but she's highlighting her nose, I think her cheeks. Please use your ring finger. Alright, now we're going to move on to her hair because we already curled her hair. And then in 3, 2, 1, I look so pretty like an anime girl. Do follow us on Instagram at Keho and Kamiko. Remember to subscribe, comment and like, and always be nice to her. Thank you.